Hi, I am Tabrez Farhan from Gulbarga, Karnataka. I have completed Mechanical Engineering in year 2022 from KBN College of Engineering, Gulbarga. I got a call from eVision regarding internship program of 2 months. So after some time I joined eVision internship program where I learn about the CCNA, networking, Windows administration, virtualization, ITIL, cyber security, etc. The staff was good and excellent. They teach very well. After completing the internship program, they arrange interview sections and then they also arrange interviews until I got selected. Thanks to eVision and team, and especially thanks to Priya ma'am. She helps me a lot to get a job. Now I have been selected in a company with a good package thanks to eVision. So I recommend you to join internship program of eVision with placement. Thank you.